Oh. Where's the ball? Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. Are you happy, pup? Where's that ball? Give me that ball. Give it here. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take this ball. It's mine. It's mine. I'm gonna get it. Nope. Wet dog got it. Splash. I got you. Woo! He's coming. I'm gonna get your ball. I'm gonna get it. She said no. She loves the water. Don't breathe it in, sweetheart. Some days, you just gotta go to the beach, cut off work early, get your toes in the sand, and have your dog play with the ball. Just wanted to show you guys something. This is an actual live sand dollar. I'm in the sand dollar bed right now, so it goes and goes and goes and goes, and there's plenty of sand dollars all around. And this is a live sand dollar. They are kind of purpley in color, and I'm gonna zoom in so you can see the little feet or the hairs on the backside. Luna, get out of that sand dollar. Get off of there. You can see them kind of moving. Can you see them? Isn't that crazy? And then here's a sand dollar that has already passed away. And so you're able to pick up the white ones and you leave the purpley ones like that. You leave those alone. So you can pick up these guys. So there's one here. Give it a little thing. It's good for you to take them home and then put them in a bucket with a little bit of bleach water and let them soak, because the little creature, you know, died inside there, and so it could be quite smelly if you just left it be. You don't want to do that. But as you can see, there's tons of them all around. You have to be careful where you step. Here's one here. Luna, you gonna show them your sand dollar? Look at this one's quite big, and he's actually in the process of dying, which is kind of sad. But yeah, his little feet aren't even up there anymore. You feel the hairs on the bottom. And so all those little hairs funnel towards the middle, like here, where their little mouth is. That just filled up with water, that's what that is. And that's what's happening. So I'm gonna turn him around so that he can have a fighting chance. Sand dollar bed. Whitby Island. Here we are at the self-dog wash place. What is this place called? I forget. I can't remember what the name of this place is called. Something dog wash place? I don't know. Anyhow, after all that beach fun, Luna is getting scrubbed down. Look, she was, all of this white had like a green hue to it. No more. Aye. But she gets so much sand in her fur, in her booty. Sand in her booty, sand in her toes, sand all over the place. We gotta clean her up after the beach fun. Every single time. And then there's so much fur that comes off of her. She is not a fan. Not a fan. But she does feel better after she's clean. Because then she gets to be on that couch. Right, pup? She says yes. Luna, you ready for your close-up? Hey, Mom. Get me out of this tub, Mom. All clean, all better. And here we have the Luna pup. All brushed, all dry, all better. Is that your toy? Get your zombie. Get that zombie. Get him. Give him a good squeak. Squeak, squeak. Says they no. We had a good day, huh? Lots of fun? We had a good day. We went to the beach, and then we go and get our bath, and we come home and get delicious Mexican food dinner, and then we're going to take a rest now. Okay, bye everybody. A happy pup.